Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys. It's a sunny day on the countryside road. Everything looks peaceful and bright. The big yellow school bus drives happily, carrying children to school. Uh-oh! The road is muddy, and the bus wheels begin to slip. The school bus looks nervous as the mud splashes everywhere.
Oh dear, I'm stuck!
The road gets even muddier. The bus is in real trouble now.
Help me!
Oh no! The school bus is stuck deep in the mud. Inside, the kids wave nervously, hoping someone will come to help.
I'm stuck! I'm really stuck!
The school bus looks scared, trapped in the muddy road. NANI? But wait, here comes the brave fire truck racing to the rescue. The red fire truck rushes forward, smiling with determination. With focused eyes, the fire truck is ready to save the bus. The school bus feels relieved help has finally arrived. The fire truck positions itself in front of the stuck bus. It lowers a strong rescue cable toward the school bus. The school bus feels nervous, but also very hopeful. Click! The rescue cable locks tightly onto the bus bumper. The fire truck revs its engine, ready to pull with all its strength. Mud splashes everywhere as the fire truck pulls hard. Slowly, the school bus begins to move forward. Look! The bus wheels are finally lifting out of the mud. The fire truck pulls even harder, showing its bravery. Yes?
Almost.
The school bus breaks free from the muddy trap.
Yeah!
The bus smiles with relief, so thankful for its friend. Side by side, the fire truck and school bus drive together again. At last, they roll safely into the Horizon Best Friends forever.